The notion that our desire to listen to new music decreases as we get older is a generalization and may not be true for everyone. While some individuals may experience a decreased interest in exploring new music as they age, it's important to remember that preferences and behaviors can vary significantly among individuals and are influenced by various factors. That being said, there are a few reasons why some people might appear to have a reduced inclination to seek out new music as they grow older. Familiarity and nostalgia. With age, we often develop strong attachments to the music that was popular during our formative years. This music becomes associated with significant memories and experiences, evoking a sense of nostalgia and emotional connection. As a result, we may find comfort in revisiting the songs and genres we loved in the past, rather than actively seeking out new musical experiences. Time constraints and responsibilities. As we age, our lives tend to become busier with career, family, and other responsibilities. This increased demand on our time and attention may limit the opportunities to explore new music. Consequently, we might gravitate towards familiar tunes that require less effort to engage with, as they provide a sense of relaxation or escape from the stresses of everyday life. Changes in musical exposure. When we're younger, we are more likely to be exposed to new music through various channels such as peers, social events, and emerging trends. As we age, our exposure to new music may diminish unless we actively seek it out. If we don't actively engage with newer music, it can create a perception that our interest in exploring new artists and genres has declined. Shift in priorities. As we progress through life, our priorities, values, and interests often change. Music may take a backseat to other pursuits or hobbies that align more closely with our current lifestyle and personal growth. Consequently, we may devote less time and energy to seeking out new music, leading to a perception of decreased interest. It's worth noting that these reasons are not universally applicable, and many individuals continue to embrace new music throughout their lives. Personal preferences and behaviors can vary widely, and there are countless examples of older individuals who actively seek out and appreciate contemporary music.